What up guys, Quantum Wallet still giving out their free STU token airdrop to the community. Alright, so in this video I'm just going to be talking about more updates on this project and things you should be expecting from this project, and also things you should be doing while participating on this project right now. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you need to stick to this video till the end. Yes guys, Quantum Wallet is where we claim some SATU token by just signing up, and you know I did a video on how to claim your own token for free. It's completely free for now guys. You can claim that and you will have the token on your balance for now, although it's not yet transferable. We cannot trade it, you can swap it, you're just gonna have it on your balance for now. If you joined when I posted this update earlier on, you must have gotten some of this token on your balance, and if you also try inviting people, you must have increased the tokens on your balance and also increased your account balance. All right, so if you are seeing a huge sum like this on your balance, do not panic, and also don't be too overwhelmed with this price, because it's actually not the real price of what you have claimed. Okay, this is just like a for reference sake. All right, it's for reference sake, so don't be too overwhelmed with this price. Just stick with the application and try to invite more people so that you can get more of this token in the long run. All right, because when it's going to be listed on some decentralized exchanges, we will be able to swap this token to USDT directly on this application, on this Quantum Wallet. All right, and if you want to be privileged, I believe they are going to be privileging those who are going to be participating in the quantitative section of the application, which is the ATS, which is right here. Those that are going to participate here, they are definitely going to be privileged. They are going to be prioritized with every functions, and you know, for swapping and all that. I believe that because participating here is just like an investment. It requires you making a deposit while you also earn by just depositing. So I've been using it for a while. I used you can use both TRX or use USDT to make this investment, because there are only two blockchains on this wallet, which are BNB and the Tron. All right, we have Tron Network and BNB right here, so you can just select any one of them and go ahead and use them. All right, so I've made previous videos on how to use this platform in general, how you can get your SATU token for free. I've made a video on that. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. You can go ahead, click it and watch. And if you want to also participate in the quantitative system of this application, where you have to stake some funds to earn some return on investments, then you will need to also watch the second video I will leave in the description for you guys to watch. All right, I've made videos on all that, so you can go in the description, or it's going to be popping up on the top right corner of this video. Once you click on it, you'll be able to watch and understand how this thing really works. All right, apart from that, they have been doing some giveaway in their Telegram channels. All right, and there have I've been seeing lots of testimonies where the winners post all the funds they got from the giveaway and all that. So guys, the project is a long-term project. As you are collecting the free tokens, you can also take maximum advantage of the quantitative bots by just staking the minimum of 10 USDT right here, and you'll be able to earn about 18% every single month for any amount you stake. All right, you can see it right here, 18%. all right, but the same thing goes for Tron. If you are going to be using the TRX, is the same thing. If you're going to be using USDT, is the same thing guys. So like I said, I made video covering all that already. You should go ahead and check it out by yourself. All right, so you should be in their Telegram channel if you want to also participate in this giveaway most of the time. If you want to be part of it, you can join their Telegram channel and you will be able to participate easily. Now, to locate their Telegram channel, just come over here, click on me, then you can see their social media handles. Their official handles are all here. You can click on the Telegram here. It's going to take you directly to their Telegram channel, and you can join and follow up with the giveaway that they do give every single day. Now, in case you've not claimed your own free token, you can go ahead, claim it, and if you're the type that you're looking for where you can just put your funds to work for you and generate some passive income, then you can try the quantitative income bot side. All right, it is working perfectly. I've used it, and one thing I want you to understand is your funds are not locked up. You are in control. It's decentralized. You can just redeem your funds anytime you want, anytime, any day. You can put it today and redeem it today. You can deposit your funds today and also redeem your funds today. So it is not locked up, it is completely decentralized, guys. This is a long time project. It's going to be here for a long time. So if you are not yet on it, I believe you can hop on it right now and take maximum advantage of it. But guys, I want you to also know that this is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own thorough research before you join if you are interested. All right guys, so that's it for Quantum Wallet. I'm still going to bring you guys more updates on this project. All right, anyway, if you want to be in my Telegram channel, you can join right now. The link's in the description. Join my Telegram channel so that you can also be part of these updates more often and more early before I bring them on YouTube. So if you like what I showed you in this video, just give this video a thumbs up, like this video. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one, guys. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.